because, well, you have to deal with the centrifugal forces. So it's actually...
Looks like everything's going faster.
I'm going to need a piece of paper and a pencil to explain that one. Remember to ask me that later, though.
Okay.
That's a good question.
Hey,
There's a lot of cool physics in that question.
it seems like it's going really fast. Yeah, if I look down, it looks like there's a whirlpool under me.
Oh, that is way too low. Oh, man.
One fast. Now I'm crashing. If you keep going on in the circle, you won't get dizzy. But when you stop, you just start crashing. Why is it when you keep why is it when you get dizzy, when you're going around in a circle and you're supposed to get dizzy, but when you stop going around in a circle, you get dizzy?
Okay, that one I can answer right now. So when you're going around in a circle, you're spinning around the fluid that's in your ear that checks if you're, that helps you keep balance. Like there's this juice kind of inside your ear that tells you if you're upside down, or right side up, or sideways, or spinning around, or whatever. So you spin around a bunch of times, it spins around the fluid. And then when you stop, this fluid keeps spinning. So you can actually fix it by spinning around, do a quick spin the opposite direction, and it'll make you get less dizzy real quick.
Hey, it's getting slower now. It just stopped. I'm going up. Hey, Jaimie, I'm not dizzy. I want the opposite direction.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. It spins the fluid in your ears back the other way.
I'm changing different ways. Okay. I'm right next to
Alright guys, this one's ready. Wait, I think. Alright, well you guys do that. I'm going to keep going with it. So this is the dirt, not this dirt, but the dirt I've already dug, is what built that loading dock. So I could receive the more rocks and sand. Actually, that whole path was made out of this. Before, it was kind of a muddy disaster to walk down that way. So, filled in all the wet spots, all the low spots, leveled it out. It was a nice path, which I'm, of course, now covering with sea muck, but the fuzzy grass grows really well in the sea muck, so hopefully before too long it'll be a nice grassy path. Looks like my workers abandoned their job. I can't blame them though. They got some pretty cool trucks and stuff to play with. Maybe I'll have to get the big kids out here. Hey you guys, she stole your job.
I know.
Alright, back to digging. Alright, next brick in here. No big rush on getting these in. I still have a lot of digging to do. Plus, I'm only making like 2 of these a day. I could speed it up, but I kind of like it this way. Because then, I have other things to do and I can get them done. Yeah, I can work on this an hour or 2 every day.
Jaimie?
Oh, I'm so smashed in here. Everyone's on?
Yeah.
All right, let's go home. What? What? What do you mean? You have the most space. Hey, don't get out.